have a giant iris clump, bigger than this one, that's just starting to take over the space. It's starting to just look weird and wonky, and you really need to trim it up. Well, it's very simple. What I did is I originally had that iris clump right here, but it was starting to outgrow this small area. So what I did is I dug it up and put it here, but not before doing a couple of important steps. All I did is I broke off some of these bulbs, they're actually rhizomes. And see, you can see the broken off part, and what I did is I'm just gonna leave these out for at least 1 to 2 days, and just so this a hard callus forms over these, because this will become its own plant. And what I did, because I did dig these up and the roots are gonna dry out some, I did trim off most of the foliage, just leaving about 2 to 3 inches. This is basically what I bought 3 years ago, was about a bulb this size with about that many leaves, but they were dead, and I planted it, and you can see even through the lilac bush there that how big that iris is. So it's a very simple process. Just go ahead and break it apart with your hands. If you want to leave your clump inside the ground, just take a small shovel, maybe like a hand shovel, and get in there, wedge in there, and dig up some of these clumps. And you can dig bigger clumps than others, like this one. This one's much bigger than that first one I showed you, but they will all turn into separate plants if you want to. Hey, you can even sell these for probably $5-10 a piece, depending on the size. So because these are healthy, homegrown, you don't have to worry about diseases or anything. So I hope you liked this video and got something out of it. Really simple task that most gardeners need to do every 3 to 5 years in the fall. So I hope you subscribe to see more gardening content like this, and tips and tricks, and also updates on how beautiful these irises look in the spring.